Let's tell you, Shiv Sena UBT leader Uddhav Thackeray is on a 3-day Delhi tour. In fact, the highlight of his visit will be a strategy session with alliance partner Congress ahead of the assembly elections in Maharashtra. Now, his visit is expected to set the stage for seat-sharing talks in the Maha Vikas Aghadi for the assembly polls back at home. Thackeray is scheduled to meet leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. A meeting with Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge is also on the cards, along with other meetings with the India alliance partners. NCP SP chief Sharad Pawar will also be present during most of the meetings, and he's also expected to urge his alliance partners, Congress and NCP, that is, to declare him as the chief ministerial candidate for the upcoming Maharashtra Assembly election slated for October. Now, Uddhav Thackeray faction of Shiv Sena is hoping for a major comeback, powered by the results of the Lok Sabha election.
देखिए, ये उद्धव ठाकरे जी का जो दिल्ली दौरा है, यह एक लाचारी से भरा हुआ दौरा है। बाला साहब ठाकरे जी जब शिवसेना हेड करते थे, तब बड़े बड़े नेता मातोश्री पे जाते थे। आज उद्धव ठाकरे जो अपने आप को क्लेम करते हैं कि वो बाला साहब के असली वारिस हैं, उनकी ऐसी लाचारी हो गई है कि वो दिल्ली गए हैं कांग्रेस के नेताओं से मिलने, उनके सामने घुटने टेकने। यह उस समय हो रहा है जब महाराष्ट्र में एक भयंकर बाढ़ की स्थिति है, भयंकर बारिश हुई है, पुणे और नासिक जैसे शहर डूब गए हैं। हमारे मुख्यमंत्री दिल्ली का दौरा रद्द करके पुणे जाते हैं, वहां के सारे राहत कार्यों का निदर्शन करते हैं, देखते हैं और उसके बाद वहां के लोगों को राहत देते हैं। तो उद्धव ठाकरे जी क्यों गए हैं दिल्ली, ये अपने आप में एक बड़ा दिलचस्प मामला है, क्योंकि जो महाविकास अघाड़ी है एनडीए, उसके तीनों पार्टियों में मुख्यमंत्री बनने की जबरदस्त होड़ लगी हुई है।
Shivani Mishra, my colleague, joins me for more. Shivani, very good afternoon. Given the fact that what we're looking at, political temperatures back in Maharashtra ahead of the elections is one aspect, but that echoing now in the national capital, a lot to be expecting from this crucial meet?
Well, interesting developments are coming in for the upcoming elections in the state of Maharashtra. Clearly, we have seen that how Uddhav Thackeray has arrived in the national capital, Delhi, and is expected and is scheduled to meet the leaders of the Congress party, that is Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, and Mallikarjun Kharge as well. Similarly, he met and interacted with his party MPs when he arrived in Delhi, and also he met somebody from Congress who is going to head the electoral process in the state of Maharashtra. Now it is expected that the Sharad Pawar and Uddhav Thackera's meet is scheduled at 7 p.m. today, and both the leaders will be deciding upon the seat sharing and how the strategies will be to compete the elections together as Maha Vikas Aghadi. Interestingly, Uddhav Thackeray will be put forthing his statistics with regards to where his party is prominent or stronger and what the number of seats that he wants to contest in the Vidhan Sabha election, and what all will be the strategy as combined Maha Vikas Aghadi, and what all strategy he has with regards to his party competing in the Vidhan Sabha election, because we have clearly seen in the past as well when it was about Lok Sabha elections, at that very time also seat sharing competition was going on within the Maha Vikas Aghadi, and none of the parties were on the same page, and later the high commands of the Congress party had to intervene, and that is why when Uddhav Thackeray will be meeting all the senior leaders of the Congress party at 5:30 p.m. today, then what all conclusion he will be taking along with him when he returns back to the state of Maharashtra is something that we all are eyeing upon. Because
right, Shivani, that of course remains to be seen, and we trust you to keep us ahead as far as that